Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paroma Sharma and this is my little rectangle where I share a little bit of my life with you. And today is another day, another video. A quick update, I actually tried the overnight scarf hair wrap heatless curls situation again. The first time I did it, it turned out good-ish, but I did have higher expectations from it. However, I think I identified what the issue was last time, and it was really my bangs. And this time when I wrapped my hair up last night, I kept that in mind. Really digging it. Super, super nice. I love it. And then also, I decided to put on some makeup today. But mainly because I was super excited to try the blue liner and the blue mascara, and look at that, guys, that is so electric. This is looking, and honestly, I'm not going anywhere, but I feel so good about myself right now. I just took like a bunch of pictures and like I really feel good about myself. So yeah, I just really wanted to give you guys an update on that stuff. And actually now what we're gonna go ahead and do is set up the dining space. I want to get the decoration out of the way today. I'm super, super excited to get on with this project.
Our curious little kitty was crying to come out and see what the big deal is with the snow. 1,000 tiny little things floating all around. He wants to catch each and every one of them. I've got my tripod set up there. I'm ready to like start filming, setting up the dining room, but I wanted to take a breather and I just wanted to sit down, and I was just reflecting, and I said some of the stuff on Instagram. I just hopped onto Instagram and talked about this right now, but I want to elaborate more. Actually, if you're not following me on Instagram, you should probably do that right now. That's my Instagram handle. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really sitting here and considering getting TikTok. I don't know, maybe it's just like the blue eyeliner and mascara. It makes me feel all like youthful all of a sudden. But like tomorrow when I wake up with like a bun on top of my head and like a swollen auntie face, I'll be like, yeah, no, I don't belong on TikTok. I'm just sitting here and thinking how incredibly lucky I am to be able to spend this quarantine time in my little bubble, in the safety of my home. And I don't have to worry about my health. I don't have to worry about finances. I don't have to worry about basic necessities. I don't have to worry about either of those things in terms of our family and our loved ones. And I'm just so lucky that I just get to like, you know, like blast music and dress up and dance and do arts and crafts and just have a party. There are good days and there are bad days, and today is definitely one of the better days. The balance that I'm searching for is two essential things. It's a constant, I'm not gonna say struggle or battle because those are the wrong words and they're a little bit negative. It's a constant process, let's say. It's a constant process of trying not to feel shitty about feeling shitty, number one. So those are the bad days. Because like it's okay, you're allowed to feel crappy and not get anything done some days. And then days like this, which are so great, it's a process of trying not to feel shitty about feeling great amidst an actual global crisis, you know? Sitting here and reflecting and self-reflecting is amazing on its own, but then being able to record a little bit of it and speak about it a little bit and then put tiny edited bits of that into the world is kind of my way of like making it a little bit more tangible. Something that's in your head and you write it down, put pen to paper, and then it's reality. So it's kind of like that, like making my thought process a little bit more tangible and thus, I don't know, intensifying it, making it a little bit more real. I am going to go and transform that room.
Okay, there we have it. It took about, I think, an hour-ish, and I think it turned out really, really cute. So I'm going to pick up the camera and show you guys what's on the table. This will be different tomorrow because all these trays will have treats on them, pastries on them. There are going to be biscuits, sandwiches. There's just like a whole bunch of stuff that's like food, which is also aesthetic, so it's going to add to the beauty of all of this. But let's get to the details. I'm gonna pick you guys up and show you what's on the table. Alright guys, so this is what it finally looks like. And I'm just going to really quickly tell you what it's going to look like tomorrow. There are going to be savory treats on that. There's going to be a cake on this. There are going to be sweet treats on this and sweet treats on this. And this is just a really cute little tea set we have, so I thought we might as well put out some green tea in this. We're going to be doing tea and stroop waffles, so those are going to be in bigger mugs. And then that's just the plates and napkins that we're going to use. Put a lantern there, put 2 lanterns there. This is actually a block of wood that we just had, like this plank of wood, I had it. So a lot of these things I just had, like this I had. I've got these plastic champagne flutes back here. And yeah, just a lot of flowers, a lot of these pearls tossed around. These little lights I actually had back from Christmas when I did a Christmas centerpiece here. So a good trick to fill some dead space and tie the whole thing together is taking the pretty print on the napkins and actually folding the napkins into fans and putting them sporadically throughout. So if you'll see, I've got the same napkins that we're going to be using when we're eating. I've got it on the plank of wood because otherwise this was looking a little bare without the cake served on it. I've got it fanned at the bottom here because this is all white and it was looking pretty bland without the actual desserts on it. Tomorrow that's not going to be there because the desserts are going to be there. I've used it to put down over there like a little mat to put the champagne flutes on. I fanned it and used it in the actual centerpiece, which is a watering can. And I fanned it and used it in this little teapot right here. And then of course, back there, it is where it's supposed to be. So now that I've told you where all those elements are, if you look at the entire thing, you can see that those little things actually tie everything together or do a better job at tying the whole table together. And then those tassels up there, that actually took quite a bit of work to do, so I'm glad it looks nice with the glow of the light back there. But yeah, that's basically it. Okay, you guys, that's it from me. I'm going to go ahead and close out the video here. This was super, super fun to do and I love how it turned out. Stay tuned to see how my mom actually likes it tomorrow, and of course, stay tuned to see the final product with all the food on it tomorrow. Oh, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. So give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any of the daily videos that I'm doing for the rest of the month. I will see you guys tomorrow.